Hey, this is Kevin and you are back in the project cave with me. I've always liked the look of those blacked out badges on dark vehicles, so today we're going to give the Dragon Wagon, that's my 2015 F-150, that stealth look. Let's get outside, start taping up, and hitting it with the Plasti dip. Well, as you can see, getting the Plasti dip out of the nooks and crannies is somewhat of a difficult task. So my solution is to take a chopstick that you can get at the local restaurant, one of the disposable ones, and you sand an edge onto it at the very tip. Okay, I'm not worried about bamboo going through the clear coat, so I sand that little edge on it. I may have to resand a couple times, but at least I can get the edge that'll get into under the Plasti dip, but not damage the clear coat underneath the badges. So it's only for the real tight spaces, so this is my solution. You know, some people are probably hemming and hawing, but this is what's working for me, so. Alright, I am super happy with how that turned out. I love the dark lettering on dark vehicles. I've got the stealth look that I was after. A little bit more difficult than I thought it would be, but in the end, like I said, I'm happy with the results. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It all helps me keep bringing you great videos. Also, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of this project or what you'd like to see in an upcoming episode. For now, this is Kevin, and I will see you next time in the Project Cave.